Hi, today I'm in front of Emporia SMART.5 and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the Always On Display feature. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store, and now open the Play Store and in the search pool enter the Muviz application. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. So after that, tap to open the app, click Draw Our Apps and click Allow Display and display our other apps. Just let's go back to the application now. Tap to AOD section and select one from these available tabs. For example, let's use this one. Click to apply. Now we can see that this tab applied successfully. So now just let's lock the device. And we can see that the Always On Display option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.